Welcome to Dee's Delights, Bakes and Bites. Today we're going to be making fish rolls. Check out a full list of all the ingredients in the description section.
So let's set that all to the side and make our pastry dough.
In my bowl, I have measured out 300 grams of plain flour, into which I am going to add some baking powder. Break up the margarine with your hands and add it all in little dollops. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of sugar and a teaspoon of salt, and I'm also going to grate in some nutmeg. Squeeze your lemon into the water, as we are going to start to use that to bind. As I have mentioned before, what the lemon serves to do is to relax the gluten in the flour even more, so it makes for an even nicer pastry. Now I'm going to go in with my hands and mix that all in till we have a mix that looks like fine breadcrumbs. Now that we've got that looking like fine breadcrumbs, we will start to add our water slowly to bind it all together. Yay! We have a clean bowl, which means our dough is ready. And we'll just put that away to chill and relax. Or is that relax and chill? Which one comes first? Till it's ready to be used. And now that the pastry dough is taken care of, let's move on to the filling. Put in enough oil to cover the base of your frying pan, but not too much oil because we don't want it swimming. We just want enough. Once the oil is hot enough, I am going to add in my onions. Now that I've added those in, I am going to fry them for 3 to 5 minutes till they start to caramelize. Do ensure that the heat is on low, because the last thing we want is anything burning. And now add in your pepper and fry that for about a minute. And now I'm going to add in the tuna. I'm going to break up the steak so that I can get it to a consistency that I can easily work with when I'm filling it into the dough. So I'm going to mix it up quite a fair bit. I'm quite happy with that now, so I'm going to add in my seasoning. You can use whatever seasoning you like, really. My preferred seasoning for this is some thyme, a bit of curry, and some white and black pepper, or rather Cameroon pepper to be precise. At this point, I added just a drop of water, which I didn't capture on here. And this is to ensure that our mixture doesn't dry out while we leave it to simmer, because we want a nice moist filling. And there you have it. Our filling is ready. And I'm just going to dish that out and put it in a bowl so that it can go and keep company with the pastry dough in the fridge. Because, of course, we have to chill it. You don't want warm filling in your pastry. No, no, no. And now it's time to get our dough out of the fridge and get a roll in. But first, let's lightly flour that surface. I'm going to try to roll the pastry as thinly as is possible because I want it to be so that the pastries just fall apart in the mouth on contact. Cut to the size that you desire. I'm cutting these into 9 by 9 squares, and that will give us 20 fish rolls, but you may want them either much smaller or even bigger. Give the filling a good press with a fork so that it's sitting nicely on the pastry. I'm going to give the sides a bit of an egg wash so that they can seal properly. That's all done now. And I'm going to go in with the egg wash. I'm just going to give that a few pricks to release any steam while they are baking. And into the oven they go at 170 fan for approximately 23 minutes. And we have fish rolls. It's enough to make you want to dance. Oh, wow. You made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe. And of course, do interact in the comment section. I want to see you there. I want your comments. I want to chat with you. And of course, do like the video. And come back to testify once you've tried out the recipe. See you in the next one. Ta-da!